Bada bing, bada boom. On like Donkey Kong. I don't have a stir. I'm not that fancy. Look at my new shot glass, Iowa. My new glass. Cheers. Damn. Pretty smooth. You know what, guys? I want to start talking. From the top, all the way down. Thought about having my own restaurant called Todd's Hot Dogs, or do you think it should be called Todd's Burgers? My hot dogs would be like mostly foot-long hot dogs. Todd's Burgers would be, you could either get onion, I'd basically mix sweet onion with my chuck meat or garlic, or have it plain, or jalapeno mixed in the burger. So you either get onion, garlic flavor, plain, or jalapeno. It comes with lettuce, onion, tomato, and a side of fries. Let me know what you guys think. I am going to get Noel, I think. Doll. Everything, it's all a crock. Life is a crock. It's all a pain in the ass. Even John can't It's virtually impossible to meet chicks in the dating world, and you're pretty much fucked no matter which way you turn. Might as well just face it. I mean, Black Metal Troy got it right. Just throw it out the window. Just fucking be alone the rest of your life. What's the use? What's the use? Trying, it's all a crock. Sense in trying. It's gonna get you disappointed. Look at this. We're in some amazing times. Refill. A bird. That's how alcohol abuse, when you waste alcohol. You gotta be kind of aggressive with this stuff. I'm liking this. Fucking bird dog. Job. See? Oh, shit. Shit. Fucking darn shit. Does what it does. So moving forward, look, we're in the signs of the devil, signs of Satan. Everyone said we're living in tumultuous times. Yeah, my mom made some soup. Fuckity. Oh, soup is good. A little sticky. Cheers. We're living in, indeed, clearly we're living in shitty times. So the sign of the devil, I was at Kroger's today, and look at this, guys. Guess what? You have credit cards now. I have a credit card that has a chip on it. A chip, they predicted a chip meant that the Satan end is near, the time is coming. You know, you guys heard of Revelations, the end of times. Well, we're in the end of times. I mean, there are things in the sky people can't explain. There's noises in the sky people can't explain. And now they put chips on your credit cards. Next thing you know, they're going to put chips inside your hand to identify you. I mean, we're living in communism, and it's not free like it used to be. The sign of the devil. Hell, we were going to elect a female president like that, just like that. And look at this. This is the ultimatum. This is the icing on the cake. 666, the sign of the devil, right there. 666. That was the balance. That was today. 666. I just might keep that. Next. Shout out to Ron White. I need a triple shot. Shit. This stuff is letting me down. Damn. Stuff, man. I'm liking it. A little more ice. I need an ice scoop. Check this out. My fetish beer, Old Milwaukee Ice. If you're not familiar with it, you don't want to get familiar with it. It's so bad. My roommate, I had an ex-roommate last year. His brother lived over the river. He lived in a cabin. He threw the motherfucker down the hills. He threw it down to the river. It was so bad. He heaved it. It was so fucking funny. I was cracking up. His brother Garth was drinking it. He was fucking cringing. That's how bad my fetish beer is. You can't even hardly find it anywhere around here. I've never had Yukon Jack. I've heard of Yukon Jack, but I've never tried it. Share your experience if you've had it. Nor I never played beer pong. You guys might not believe me, but I never played beer pong in my life. I have no social life. I never did. And also, I wanted to say, alcohol is the #1 addiction, or most popular escape, or most popular, what's the word, no, it's the most popular, not hobby, but recreation. Alcoholic recreation is the most popular in the world, more than any other form of chemical dependency. Alcohol's like #1 in the United States, I think in the whole world. I just saw that the other day. Welcome.